Good morning, dear students. Today we are going to learn lesson number 1.7 Paramveer Chakra, our heroes. Before starting the lesson, I want to give you the introduction of Paramveer Chakra. We live in our country with a sense of security because our brave soldiers, even at the cost of their lives, are guarding us with their presence on land, at sea, or in the air. We are having three armed forces, that is navy, army, and military. Okay, so they are guarding us. Because of them only we are secure. Their extraordinary acts of bravery are recognized by bestowing the military decorations on them. The highest military decoration is the Paramveer Chakra. This lesson tells us more about Paramveer Chakra. You may have heard about legendary heroes. Legendary means very famous heroes of the past and their extraordinary acts of bravery. But even today, many brave soldiers of our country sacrifices their own lives for our safety. Their brave deeds are honored by bestowing military decorations on them. Bestowing means presenting. Okay. So Paramveer Chakra is India's highest military decoration. It is awarded for the most conspicuous bravery or some daring or preeminent act of valor or sacrifice in the presence of enemy, whether on land, at sea, or in the air. Okay, so the Paramveer Chakra is presented to the people, to the heroes, those who showed their eminent act. Preeminent act means extraordinary act of bravery on in the presence of the enemy on the land, at the sea, or at air. So the Paramveer Chakra is a very rare honor. So far it has been awarded only 21 times. 14 of these awards were given posthumously. Posthumously means after the death of the soldier. Here you can see the medal, that is the Paramveer Chakra. As you can see, it is, I will explain you how it is. The medal itself is a very simple in appearance. It is made of bronze. The medal is made up of a bronze and is fitted with a swivel mountaining and has a plain purple ribbon. On the obverse, it has the Indian national emblem at the center, surrounded by the four replica of Indra Vajra on the reverse. The words Paramveer Chakra are engraved in Hindi and English with two lotus flower in between. The Paramveer Chakra medal was designed by Savitri Bai Khanolkar. She was the designer of Paramveer Chakra. She was an European lady who married Vikram Khanolkar, an Indian army officer. Savitri loved India and took Indian citizenship. She spoke Marathi, Sanskrit, Hindi fluently and had studied Indian arts and tradition in Indra Vajras or thunderbolts is supposed to be matchless weapon, but what makes the weapon invincible in the supreme sacrifices of the Sheikh Dadiji? Okay, Indra Vajras or thunderbolts. Thunderbolts means a flash with a clap. Okay, so Indra Vajras or a flash with a clap are supposed to be matchless weapon. But what makes the weapon invincible is the supreme sacrifice of Sheikh Dadiji. Sheikh means wise person. So if you will go through with the name of Dadiji, you will come to know lots of stories about him. So here we are having a story related to him. According to legend, thousands of years ago, a demon had stolen all the water in the world. Demon means a evil spirit, might be a bhoot. Okay, so he stolen all the water in the world. Innocent people were suffering and dying without water. This demon, means the bhoot, would not be defeated by any ordinary weapon made of ordinary material like wood, metal, etc. Something extraordinary was required. It was learned that the Sheikh Dadiji had bones of such extraordinary power, but how would one ask for the bones of a living man? Okay, we cannot ask a person to give the bones if he is a living person. But the Sheikh Dadiji was a noble person, he was morally good person, so he himself laid down his life and gave his own bones to help the people. Indra Vajras. Indra's weapon or thunderbolts was fashioned from these bones, and the demon was defeated. The bhoot was defeated by the weapon which is made by the bones of Dadiji. Okay, just as the Indra Vajras derived power from Sheikh Dadiji's bone, the Indian military derives its strength and power from the sacrifices of the bravest of the brave, the Paramveer Chakra holders. So here is the list of the 21 bravest of the brave Paramveer Chakra holders. You can go through with it. Flying Officer Nirmaljit Singh Sheikh Khan. Here is the story of the Flying Officer Nirmaljit Singh. On the 14th of December 1971, Srinagar airfield was attacked by a wave of 6 enemy Sabre aircraft. Flying Officer Nirmaljit Singh Sheikh Khan was on readiness duty at that time. He could not take off immediately because of clouds of dust raised by the another aircraft. By the time he ran away was clear. The enemy aircraft were overhead. He were flying low, firing and attacking the aircraft with bombs. Even then, Flying Officer Sheikh Khan took off in his Ghent fighter the moment he could. He began to combat. Combat means a battle. The powerful subjet aircraft of the enemy. He damaged 2 of them. He fight with the attacking aircraft now continued at 3 top heights. At last, the enemy aircraft fled from the scene of the battle. The airfield and the town of Srinagar were saved, but alas, Flying Officer Sheikh Khan aircraft too crashed and he was killed. Flying Officer Sheikh Khan displayed good flying skill and determination in the face of certain death. He showed immense heroism above and beyond the call of duty. Salute to the bravest of the brave, Flying Officer Nirmaljit Singh Sheikh Khan. Do you read more on the internet at www.paramveerchakra.com about the gallant PVC awardees who laid down their lives in the sacrifice of the country. You will see the belonging to various communities and religions. Do find and read the inspiring accounts of how they faced the enemy without any regard for their fatal wound and physical pain.